Hello friends, family, and to all who are viewing. In this video, I just want to share a little of my thoughts. Magan itu dunia de takado kun kitya jawo nazane. Aji alag manu jaise kali mui bhi hule pare. So I just want to say magan ejun ki galti kura tamne maaf kuro na pare thaki to. Apni bhi ase moi bhi ase. To manu jai piside ai moi apni ke bishi moram dagise. Koi takili bhi takan na huniwo. To sati boy kan sai takakan. Magan let's together come. Let's forgive and be forgiven by those whom we have hurt. Itulah moi aji share korle mona ase. Magan itu life to bishi short ase na. To ejun ke biya paine no hile tai muge nia koise moi maaf kuro na pare. Nia korne let's not live that way. Let's try to be. It's okay. Everyone make mistakes, nah. So let's be good to one another. Let's forgive and let's try to love one another in a way we want to be loved. That's all I want to share. So if you like it, please help me out and see you in my next vlog.